Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for yet another You versus Them reading. Let's see what's going on in your connection, Leo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you, all my lions and my lionesses out there. Thank you so much for your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Leo, for this reading, I'm taking out two sets of cards, newbies. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your mutual energies, your action cards, and your dialogue message cards. For the duration of the reading, for me this is person A, this is person B. If this is your reading, you'll immediately know which side you're on, right? So action for person A and action for person B. Okay, bottom of my underlying energy of this reading is the Eight of Cups, which means maybe a return. Somebody wants to return, or somebody wants their person to return, or something like that. Let's keep this here. Let me look at the cards. Okay, so Leo, from what I see from person A's energy, I think they've already kind of accepted maybe an ending. They feel the tower has already blasted, fallen to the ground, and they're kind of coming out of feeling bad about it, from what I see. Kind of ready to drop the burden now and saying, hey, it is the way it is. If it's over, it's over. But where person B is concerned, they want to have some communication, it seems. They want to come and have a talk. They want to have a conversation regarding what went wrong in this connection. Why was there a rift? Why did this beautiful connection, which they feel, which could have had, it could have gone the long haul. It felt like, this is a soulmate connection. We can have the Ten of Cups, but something went wrong here. So, person B really does want to come and talk about it. Maybe they want to return, like this card said, or they want to return and come and talk to person A. That why did this end? Like, what happened here? So before I clarify these cards, Leo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And after that, we'll start clarifying these cards. Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Leo and their person. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other. Thank you. And let's take a few from here as well, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. All right, good to go, Leo. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have in my hand, Leo, says, giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. I think this could be person A, who maybe felt neglected, felt left out, never given the importance, and they're saying, hey, I'm going to get out of this feeling now. Giving up and leaving is so much easier than feeling all this pain, feeling always left behind, feeling not made to feel important enough, right? So if this tower has fallen, then I'm going to allow it to fall, right? I'm not going to just deal with this waiting and feeling, and it's just easier to kind of let it go. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. This could be person B, who's now come to some kind of a realization, and now they want to do the right thing maybe and try and win back person A. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. I cried all night wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. I have commitment issues. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. So one person may have given up, the other person is still, I think, wanting to come back and maybe sort this connection out. So what I'm going to do now, Leo, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this read, how they can help with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. So blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Move. Some movement is coming, Leo. Or maybe it's time for somebody to move, either away or towards, I don't know. But there is some, if life has seemed very stagnant between the two of you, there is some movement coming. Now what that movement's going to be, I'm going to clarify right now and check it out. So, Leo. For me, this is person A. Like I said, I don't know whether this is you, Leo, or the other side's going to be you. So let's just concentrate on person A's energy for starters. Okay. 5 of Pentacles, Spirit in reverse for person A. 5 of Pentacles. Yes, just as I thought. Yes, person A is quite heartbroken. They're quite heartbroken. Maybe this initially seemed like a very passionate and exciting connection, but now they're feeling as if, they were the only ones giving in this connection. They were pouring into this connection, hoping, waiting, but now they feel totally drained out. They feel, they're feeling quite emotionally overwhelmed at the moment to say, hey, this didn't pan out the way I wanted. I always felt left out and not given the importance. So now what I'm going to do, the only way to love myself is maybe to put barriers up now and protect my own energy. I can't keep giving because my cup is dry now. I don't have any more to give person B anymore. So the Tower Spirit, Tower. I think they kept waiting. I think they kept waiting for some emotional offer to come or somebody to kind of take it to the next level. But that never really happened, right? Somebody didn't make a move on time or didn't make a move at all. It never grew from what I'm feeling. And slowly and steadily, I think this tower kind of disintegrated. It just kind of it was like something built on sand where it doesn't have a foundation and it slowly crumbles down. And person A is saying, if it's crumbling, I'll allow it to crumble because I have to protect myself. Maybe move on now and maybe find somebody else who can actually be there for me. So, what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to feel like that? 2 of Swords in reverse. 2 Swords in reverse. I think this person A probably asked or expected some decision or some choice to get made, which they didn't get because they feel what they're telling me. Person A is saying, my person was very detached. They came across very cold. They came across very harsh sometimes, and there was no warmth in this connection. So I kind of picked up my own spots then and said, hey, listen, if this is the way you're going to behave, then I might as well make the decision for you. They didn't want to stay in a connection which was always going to stress them out. They decided, I'm going to get unstuck and maybe halt this connection now. Put a halt to this connection. 4 of Cups in reverse. What happened in the recent past, Spirit? 4 of Cups in reverse. 4 of Cups in reverse. I think person A has already been through enough battles in their life. They were anyways battered and bruised from before maybe. So Even this in this connection, they always felt that they were alone, or they were always in hermit mode, or they always felt sad and depressed. So I think they just kind of made a decision: if this is not working out, I'm going to protect myself. And yes, let's just keep it as friends maybe. I don't want to have anything more to do with this. We'll just keep it, light and airy. But I'm not waiting around, because this, as a connection, as a foundation, as something that can go the long haul, it makes me feel sad in a connection. I feel alone together. So what does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Person A has kind of dropped this connection now, from what I feel. I think that they found it really heavy. It's like the first card said, giving up and leaving just seems so much easier. So this person is kind of giving up on this connection, maybe trying to see what else is out there. 10 of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. 10 of Wands in reverse. 10 of Wands in reverse. Yes, person A says, I was doing all the work in this connection. My person never invested. They never put in any work, no investment. And here I was carrying this entire load on my shoulders. It came to a point where I thought I was alone in this connection. So why am I doing this to myself? I'm ready to drop this burden now. 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands. Yes, I think person A is right now, yes, they're moving on to something else. Yes, the Tower is in reverse again. They're allowing this connection to disintegrate as I speak. This person has waited, I think, for some time for person B to take action. But since they haven't, the person A is saying, I can't stay in this stalemate energy forever. It's better that I walk away now and move towards either self-love or to finding new love. Person A is on a mission to find love for themselves. Am I right, Spirit? What's this Ace of Cups? Ace of Cups. Yes, they feel that person has never offered them anything. Like this is the smallest offer and this is the highest offer. From 1 to 10, they have offered me nothing till date. So it's better that, I move on and find maybe new love, or at least start loving myself first, because till now I've just been pouring into my person and got nothing back in return. So let's see, person B, if you're going to do anything. How are you feeling? So King of Swords for person B, Spirit. King of Swords. King of Swords. What do you want to say? Person B, I think, wants to say that they want to ask why this connection has come to a halt. I think what they're trying to say, I was busy at work and you thought I was playing around, or I was not taking responsibility. Am I right? Yes, they're saying I was saving you. You are my 10 of Cups. I do see you as a long-term partnership. I do want to put in work in this connection. And if you feel that I was hiding things from you, or not telling you the truth, or not being 100% in this connection, that's the reason you ended this. I want to talk to you about it. 6 of Cups in reverse. Person B is kind of confused as to why person A is even leaving them. Why this beautiful connection has ended? Because in their mind, person A is their perfect person. I love person A. They are my equal match, and I'm confused. Why are they getting out of this connection? This is how they feel for person A. I think this person is blindfolded to the fact that person A has been feeling miserable. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? The Empress. They were not, they thought person A was too good for them. In the past, they felt person A was the empress, and they will maybe judge them, or maybe there's too many people fighting for their attention. Maybe they have to earn a lot of money and be, at par with them to be given a chance. Heart of hearts, this person had some insecurities that they will not be given that chance. They will be judged, maybe because of with their finances or something, because they actually saw the person A in a very, very good light. Now, this is the empress. Why will they want to mess with me? So, the moon card, spirit, in reverse. Moon card in reverse. Yes, person B has come to this realization on their own. They have decided in themselves that they know the truth, that this is the empress, and I'll have to really, really work hard and become an emperor, right, to match this empress. So I think person B was busy trying to become an emperor, while person A has already lost interest in them now. So how does person B now see person A? Or about how do they feel about the connection? King of Pentacles, see? King of Pentacles. They feel they had to, escape this connection for a little while, because they were trying to work on their money or finances. Or one more, King of Pentacles. Yes, they were trying to come to a place of being that strong person. They wanted to show up to person A as, we can be happy together now, I can make all your wishes come true, and yes, I have everything to offer you now. So they feel that, I had to left because of that. But heart of hearts, I know this is the person I want. This is my 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yes, they've been waiting. They've been waiting for the right time to approach person A, that, hey, you are my 10 of Cups. You are my good luck. You are my future. You are my wheel of fortune. I took some time out to match your energy. I was working on, because I thought that's what you would want. Okay, so Empress again, see? Empress again. They really think very highly of person A. So person A, what action are you going to be taking now? Person A. 5 of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action, spirit? 5 of Wands in reverse. Person A doesn't want any more fighting. They don't want any conflict either. They're happy to communicate, from what I feel. They'd be happy with some restart of communication with person B. What about person B? Will you be taking action now? 2 of Cups in reverse. Why is that an action? Okay, so then why is the 2 of Cups in reverse then, spirit, with all these beautiful cards? Oh. They feel they've delayed it for too long. They feel too much time has gone by. Maybe they've lost track of time or something. Person B is feeling rather heartbroken, feeling, oh my God, have I lost my connection? Has this 2 of Cups now gone in reverse? This was my soulmate. Maybe, because I took too long, maybe I won't get this again. But my God, look at the amount of love they have. King of Cups, they want this equal partnership, because person A makes them really, really happy. Really, really happy. So yes, movement is coming, that's for sure, one way or the other. All I would say, person B, if you're Leo here, you shouldn't be afraid, because person B is open to communication. They've kind of lost hope in this connection, but I think they don't want to fight either. And person B, don't be heartbroken. Will you take any action? But I haven't asked that. Yes, you feel all these things. Will you take any action? Oh, maybe they're sitting in their ego and pride at the moment. They're watching from afar right now. Maybe this week they won't take any action. Person B will not take any action because they're still trying to gather information. Is the person A still available? Will they talk to me? Will they care about me? Because so much time has gone by. Person B is sitting in their little bit ego and pride right now because heart of hearts they suspect, because they suspect that it's already over, that they will not be given a second chance now. All right, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.